Lily's not supposed to be sleeping now because it's about an hour till
bedtime.
Till like feeding and bath and bedtime, so they're trying to keep her awake. And it's not really working. Lily.
Come on, Lily, stay awake, please. Come on, please stay awake. Lily, come on. Oh, okay. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Come on, you have to stay awake. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Hey. Hi. Wakey, wakey.
Oh no, she fell asleep again. Come on, please stay awake. Oh, please stay awake. Lily, did I ever tell you the time about World War II when my granddad was in the army and he said that he was nearly going to be killed by a French soldier, but is that a boring story?
Hi. Are you Are you so sleepy? We have never before tried to keep her awake, ever. I hope she's like this tonight for bedtime. Okay.
Say bye.
Lily, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.